Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping, a gentle breeze rustling through the trees, and the sun casting golden hues over a remote, breathtaking landscape. You step outside, stretch your arms, and take in the serenity of nature, all while your home on wheels sits comfortably beside you. This isn't just any RV. This is the 2026 Camper Tricycle RV, a revolutionary blend of mobility, efficiency, and comfort designed for adventurers who crave freedom without compromise. The first thing that catches your eye is the sleek, futuristic design. It's compact yet incredibly functional, engineered to glide smoothly over various terrains. The aerodynamic shape not only enhances speed and efficiency but also reduces wind resistance, making long rides effortless. With cutting-edge lightweight materials, the structure maintains its durability while ensuring maximum fuel efficiency. Whether navigating bustling city streets or conquering rugged mountain trails, this tricycle RV is built for all journeys. Step closer, and you'll notice the high-performance wheels, specifically designed for stability and traction. Unlike traditional camper setups, this three-wheeled marvel offers enhanced maneuverability, allowing you to explore places that larger vehicles simply can't access. A built-in regenerative braking system ensures that every downhill stretch recharges the battery, optimizing energy consumption for extended travel. The combination of electric and hybrid power gives you the flexibility to switch between eco-friendly cruising and powerful bursts of acceleration when needed. Open the side panel, and you'll discover an intelligently designed living space. Every inch is optimized for comfort, making it hard to believe that so much luxury can fit inside a compact frame. The retractable bed smoothly folds into the wall, transforming the sleeping area into a cozy lounge during the day. Soft LED lighting creates a warm ambiance, while solar panels on the roof provide a continuous energy supply for lighting, charging stations, and small appliances. With an advanced climate control system, whether you're in the heat of the desert or the chill of the mountains, the interior remains comfortable year-round. The kitchenette is a marvel of modern design, equipped with a foldable sink, an induction cooktop, and a compact refrigerator. The streamlined storage compartments are strategically placed, ensuring that everything you need is within arm's reach. Preparing meals on the road has never been this convenient. Enjoying a cup of coffee while watching the sunrise from the fold-out dining table is an experience that perfectly blends simplicity with sophistication. Moving towards the rear section, the bathroom space is another masterpiece of efficiency. The water-saving shower system provides hot water on demand, while the compact toilet uses biodegradable waste management, ensuring an eco-friendly approach to off-grid living. Every feature is designed with sustainability in mind, allowing you to embrace nature without leaving a trace behind. Technology is at the heart of the 2026 Camper Tricycle RV, seamlessly integrating smart features that enhance every journey. A digital dashboard provides real-time updates on battery levels, weather conditions, and GPS navigation. Voice-activated controls allow you to adjust lighting, temperature, and security settings effortlessly. With built-in connectivity, staying in touch with loved ones or streaming entertainment is just a tap away, even in the most remote locations. Security is a top priority, with biometric entry ensuring that only authorized individuals can access your mobile haven. The exterior cameras provide a 360-degree view, enhancing safety whether you're parked in a campground or exploring unknown territories. Motion sensors and alarm systems add an extra layer of protection, giving you peace of mind throughout your adventure. Beyond functionality, this camper tricycle embodies a lifestyle, one where boundaries fade and the open road becomes your playground. Imagine setting off on a spontaneous trip, weaving through scenic routes without worrying about gas stations or charging ports. With its self-sustaining design, you can embark on extended journeys without the constant need for external resources. Customization options allow you to tailor the experience to your preferences. Choose from a variety of interior themes, from rustic wood finishes to ultra-modern minimalist aesthetics. Add-ons like an extendable awning, additional storage modules, or even a detachable drone for aerial photography make this vehicle truly your own. The 2026 Camper Tricycle RV is more than just a mode of transportation, it's a statement of independence, innovation, and adventure. Whether you're a solo traveler seeking solitude, a couple exploring new horizons, or a digital nomad redefining the workplace, this tricycle RV caters to your every need. Picture yourself cruising along a coastal highway, the ocean stretching endlessly beside you. Imagine parking on a mountain ridge, waking up to panoramic views that redefine breathtaking. Visualize crossing through dense forests, stopping at hidden lakes, and setting up camp where no traditional RV could ever reach. This isn't just travel. This is a revolution in mobility. For those who refuse to settle for ordinary, who embrace the thrill of discovery, and who believe that home isn't a place but a feeling, the 2026 Camper Tricycle RV is the perfect companion. The journey begins now, and the road ahead is yours to conquer.